It's me, Toy Dr. Daniyal. Which is your favorite car? You might be wondering why I'm asking. Well, let me tell you. Cause here I have a Ferrari Race and Play assembly kit. Assembly kit means a kit to make your own car. Here's the back. There's screwdriver. Wait, that's a real screwdriver? Awesome! And here's the bottom of the car, and the top, and all the wheels and seats. This is gonna be awesome. Let's start building it. Hurrah! Let's see. Ooh, I found 4 fun facts. Let me read them out. It's fully decorated. There's a screwdriver included. It's easy to assemble, and it has a pre-painted metal body. Let's start. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Kaboom! The most important part to build it is the manual. Let's begin the build! As you see, the manual is easily numbered. Let's start. So first we have to connect the glass to the metal. Now that all the main parts are built, we just have to assemble them. First, let's put the engine and seats onto the bottom. Then, we'll apply the steering wheel. Then, I'm going to put on the top. Now that it's on, I have to turn it around. Take a screw and put it in the bottom and top holes. Now screw driving it in. It's ready. Now all we have to do is put in the wheels. Here is our Burago Ferrari assembled kit. Let's play. Turn. Guys, I think I can work for Ferrari now. Cause technically, I've learned how to assemble a Ferrari car. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my Instagram and YouTube channel. That's it for now, guys. Bye-bye.